We are at a Ryokan in Takayama, Gifu Prefecture. We're outside of Takayama, called Wanosato, a small luxurious Ryokan, a little bit far away from the city in a secluded spot along the river. And this is the Garyu Suite, which we've chosen to spend our time for the next few nights. Let's take a look at the room. It's a little dark, but this is the entrance. You decide. 6時半の方がいいんじゃない? So this is the Garyu Suite. So this is the common area. Very classic style. And you take your shoes off, like I'm doing right now. Over here, let's start with the bathroom. The sink. And denki tsukete. And this is a shower and a tub combination. Swinging back around. So this is the main area. So let's start over here. This is the private dining area. And then coming around here. Is a more private room or privacy room, assuming this is where the dining and everything else is done. You can see there's the river down below. So this is 110 square meters. That's what they quoted. I don't know exactly how that calculates in terms of square feet, but that's what Google's for. And then maybe this is a tea room. Is that what it is, a tea room?
I think so.
Okay. There's a little storage space. And back we are in the another room. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, so that's the Garyu Suite in Wanosato, in the outskirts of Takayama in Gifu Prefecture in Japan. I guess we can also show a little bit of the river. ちょっと開けて。開けて。All right, so there is the river. Garyu Suite at Wanosato Ryokan.